Welcome to all. Today we are going to see about basis and dimension related theorems. Let V be a finite dimensional vector space over a field F. Let W be a subspace of V. Then the following conditions are: first one is dimension of W less than or equal to dimension of V. Second one is dimension of V by W equal to dimension of V minus dimension of W. Let us see the proof of the theorem. First one is we have to prove the dimension of W less than or equal to dimension of V. So we take S equal to W1 to Wm be a basis for W. Here W is a subspace of V. So S is a part of the basis. Here W is a subspace of V. So S is a part of the basis for V. Hence these dimensions is M elements, vector space N elements. So the dimension of W, this is a subspace, W is a subspace. So dimension of W less than or equal to dimension of V. Hence the result 1. Let us see the second condition. Let dimension of V equal to N and dimension of W equal to M. That is S equal to W1 to Wm, M set of elements be a basis for W, and N set of element is a basis for V. Here let S equal to W1 to Wm be a basis for W. Clearly S is linearly independent set of vectors. Here S is a basis. So S is linearly independent set of vectors in V. S is a part of the basis in V. Let set of V1 to Vr and W1 to Wm be the basis for V. Then M plus R, here M vectors and R vectors. So M plus R vectors. So dimension of, so the elements, then M plus R elements equal to N. We claim that S dash equal to V by element is of the form W plus V1, W plus V2, etc. W plus Vr is a basis for V by W. Here V by W is element of the form W plus V1, W plus V2, etc. W plus Vr is a basis for this V by W. So alpha 1 W plus V1 plus alpha 2 W plus V2, etc. alpha R W plus Vr equal to W plus 0. This form is implies W plus multiplying the scalar multiplication alpha 1, alpha 2, etc. alpha R. So this term implies W plus alpha 1 V1 plus W plus alpha 2 V2 plus etc. W plus alpha R Vr equal to W. This implies W plus, this can be in this form, W plus alpha 1 V1 plus alpha 2 V2 alpha R Vr equal to W. This form is implies alpha 1 V1 plus alpha 2 V2 etc. alpha R Vr belongs to W. Since W1 to Wm is a basis for W, it is a basis, part of the basis for V. This is a basis for W. So alpha 1 V1 plus alpha 2 V2 plus alpha R Vr equal to beta 1 W1 plus beta 2 W2 etc. plus beta M Wm. So this is in this way, alpha 1 V1 plus alpha 2 V2 alpha R Vr minus beta 1 w1 minus beta 2 w2 etc. minus beta m wm equal to 0. This is base is means the scalars alpha 1 alpha 2 etc. alpha r and beta 1 beta 2 etc. beta m equal to 0. So the scalars all are 0, so S dash is linearly independent. And let w plus v in v by w. Therefore let v equal to this linear combination of the form alpha 1 v1 to alpha r vr plus beta 1 w1 to beta m wm. Then w plus v equal to w plus that v, substitute in v. Therefore alpha 1 v1 w plus alpha 1 v1 to alpha r vr plus beta 1 w1 to beta m wm. Therefore the term is equal to w plus alpha 1 v1 to alpha r vr. Here this beta 1 w1 to beta m w1 also belongs to w, so this term is belongs to w. So w plus this form. Therefore that form can be written as w plus alpha 1 v1 to w plus alpha r vr. The scalar multiply the term alpha 1 outside it, the term is equal to alpha 1 into w plus v1 plus alpha 2 into w plus v2 etc. alpha r w plus vr. It is the linear combination of the form. Therefore S dash is span of v by w, so S dash is a basis for v by w. S dash is a basis for v by w. So the dimension of v by w equal to r elements. So dimension of v by w equal to r. Here v is a n vector and w is a m vector. So n minus m, n is dimension of v minus m is dimension of w. So the second part is proved. Let us see the another theorem. And the statement of the theorem is let B be a finite dimensional vector space over a field F. Let A and B be a subspace of V. Then the dimension of A plus B equal to dimension of A plus dimension of B minus dimension of A intersection B. Here we shall show the dimension of A plus B equal to dimension of A plus dimension of B plus dimension of A intersection B. Let us see the proof of the theorem. Let A and B be a subspace of B, hence A intersection B is a subspace of B. Let dimension of A intersection B equal to R. Let S equal to set of vectors R vector V1, V2 etc. VR be a basis for A intersection B. Since A intersection B is a subspace of A and B, so S is a part of the basis for A and B. Here given term is A and B the subspace of B. A intersection B is a subspace of A and B a subspace of B. So A intersection B is a subspace of B. The dimension of that term is R. We take R. S equal to the set of vectors R vectors V1 to VR be a basis for A intersection B. A intersection B is a subspace of A and B means S is a part of the basis for A and B. Intersection means and S is a part of the basis for A and B. Let V1 to VR set of vector V1 to VR and U1 comma US be a basis for A. We take V1 to VR elements and U1 to US elements be a basis for A, and V1 to VR W1 to WT be a basis for B. Here the common term S is the part of the basis of A and B. So these vectors involved in A, these vectors involved in B. So we take V1 to set of vector V1 to VR comma U1 to US be a basis for A, and V1 to VR W1 to WT be a basis for B. We shall prove that S dash equal to V1 to VR, U1 to US, W1 to WT. B is a basis for A plus B, and that is a union of the term B1 to BR, U1 to US, and W1 to WT is a basis for A plus B. Let alpha 1 B1 plus alpha R BR plus beta 1 U1 plus beta S US plus gamma 1 W1 plus gamma T WT. These elements is a basis for A plus B. Basis means this linear combination. So let alpha 1 V1 to alpha R VR plus beta 1 U1 to beta S US plus gamma 1 W1 to gamma T WT equal to 0. Then this form, the beta 1 we take beta 1 U1 to beta S US equal to the remaining of the term is other side, minus gamma 1 W1 to minus gamma T WT minus of alpha 1 V1 to minus of alpha R VR. That term belongs to B. Here the basis for B. V1 to VR and W1 to W2 be a basis for B. So that linear combination belongs to B. So the beta 1 U1 to beta S US belongs to B. Also beta 1 U1 to beta S US belongs to A. Here these vectors, these elements belongs to the set of the basis elements. U1 to US belongs to A. So beta 1 to beta 1 U1 to beta S US belongs to A. So beta 1 U1 plus beta S US belongs to A intersection B. Here A and B, so A intersection B. Therefore beta 1 U1 to beta S US equal to del 1 V1 to del R VR. This form can be written as minus of that term, beta 1 U1 to beta S US minus of del 1 U1 to minus of del R UR equal to 0. These scalars are equal to 0. So this set of elements U1 to US and V1 to VR is a linearly independent set. This set is linearly independent. Here U1 to US and V1 to VR is a basis for A. So this set is linearly independent. Similarly, we can prove that gamma 1 del 1 to gamma 1 equal to the scalar's value, gamma 1, gamma 2, etc. gamma t equal to 0. So therefore the scalars values alpha I, beta j's and gamma k, all scalars are equal to 0. Here I is the interval between 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to R, and j is 1 less than or equal to j less than or equal to s, and k is 1 less than or equal to k less than or equal to t. These scalars all are 0. So S dash is linearly independent set. Clearly S dash is spans of A plus B. So S dash is a basis for A plus B. Hence dimension of A plus B equal to R plus S plus T. Here dimension of A plus B means set of vectors in elements A plus B is R vectors and S elements and T elements. So dimension of A plus B equal to R plus S plus T. We see there. Here A plus B is R elements and S elements, T elements involved in the basis for A plus B. So the dimension of A plus B equal to R plus S plus T. Next dimension of A. Dimension of A is R plus S. Here the element R elements and S elements. So dimension of A is R plus T elements. R plus S elements. Dimension of A is dimension of R plus dimension of S. Dimension of R plus S, and the dimension of B is R plus T elements. And dimension of A intersection B is R elements. So we substitute that equation dimension of A plus dimension of A plus dimension of B minus dimension of A intersection B equal to dimension of A is R plus S elements, dimension of B is R plus T elements, minus dimension of A intersection B is minus R, eliminating that R, so R plus S plus T, we get that term is equal to dimension of A plus B. Therefore, hence the result. Next we have to see the corollary. If B equal to A circle plus B, that is the direct sum of A and B, and the dimension of B equal to dimension of A plus dimension of B. We have to show the dimension equal to dimension of A plus dimension of B. Let us see the proof. That B equal to the direct sum of A and B implies, using the definition of direct sum, means A plus B equal to B and A intersection B equal to singleton set 0. Here dimension of A intersection B equal to 0. A intersection B equal to singleton set 0 means dimension of A intersection B equal to 0. Hence dimension of B equal to dimension of A plus dimension of B. Here this intersection is 0, so substitute that term. Therefore dimension of that term, dimension of B equal to dimension of A plus dimension of B. Hence the result. Thank you.